welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky demon girl makeup look, so that's going to be fun. Also, quick side note, I just got my lip filler dissolved and it is super trippy filming myself right now. Like, I'm still not used to these lips, it's weird. But anyway, let's dive right in. I'm starting off with the Ben Nye Red Cream color, applying it all over my face, neck, chest, and upper arms. Next, I'm taking the Mehron Clown White Light Cream and blending a bit into certain areas of my face to create some highlights. This helps break up the solid red and add some dimension. To set everything in place, I'm using the Harlow white powder, pressing it over all the red areas. Now I'm grabbing the Kryolan Supracolor Black Crease Makeup and sketching out the mouth area. It honestly looked a little like a mustache at first, but we'll fix that. Then I'm filling in the lips with Krash Cosmetics Black Licorice lipstick. For some highlight, I tried using this Colourpop Big Ego Gel Eyeshadow, but it wasn't giving me enough payoff, so I switched to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out Highlighter, which worked perfectly. Going back to the black crease makeup, I'm covering my eyelids and under eyes. Then using my Morphe palette, I'm packing black shadow over the lids to set the cream and blending it out around the eyes, the mouth, the forehead, and the hairline. I also blended with a sponge to soften the transition from black into red. I touched up my brows and added some shading to the nose for some extra depth. For my waterlines, I used the Makeup Forever black pencil, and I also layered it over my lids for an even darker effect. Now for the fun part, the drips. I'm using Superstar Black Face Paint, mixing it with a lot of water. Then I lean back, load up a brush, and let it drip down my neck. paper towels are super helpful here. It gets kind of messy, but I like the chaotic look. I even smudge a few spots for texture. Once the drips were done, I dipped a toothbrush into the watered down paint and flicked it across my face to create splatter around the mouth. After that, I popped on some false lashes. Then with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, I added a wing and touched up my brows. And then for a little forehead detail, I used a Magic Markings Pentagram sticker. And of course, I finished the look with my Hellblazer contact lenses, black painted hands, and my horns. And that's the finished demon-inspired look.